Hey everyone, here's hoping you are safe and healthy and well wherever you are. I just wanted to record a brief intro just to help you find things on Canvas that you're going to need in the next week. We're all sort of flying by the seat of our pants, so I'm hoping to get at least a week in advance done, so won't be getting much to be able to work ahead. So if you will go to our page, and the internet is slow because the whole world is teaching online. I have a new homepage here, so you can see that we've got information for our response to COVID. There's some information about working online, the student account tutorials. I think all of you are up to date on that. It's like how to log into Canvas, how to get into WebAdvisor. There's about writing. If you need to see a counselor or an advisor, you can link there. Library resources, and the Academic Support Center. So that is one landing spot for you to get resources. And now if you go to our modules, I'm thinking I'm going to move the first half of the quarter or first half of the semester to the bottom of the page so that you don't have to dig for stuff. But I did move up the lab notebook information. I will be sending out a document with detailed instructions for what you're going to need to load up for the next lab notebook, which is spectroscopy, enzyme kinetics, and fermentation. I did put a link for the Khan Academy. A lot of you already know about that. I just sent out an announcement. There's a link there. I put up a whole bunch of stuff that actually starts with signal transduction through cell division, genetics, and gene expression. So that's one way that you can kind of work ahead while I'm working on getting some adapted videos on my PowerPoints for you. Let's see, what I wanted to point out here, we don't get too nauseated watching these scroll through. Let's get to our current week, where I did put up the chapter 10, which is cell cycle control, cancer and binary fission, which would be due on Wednesday because Monday is when the exam is due. So don't forget to upload that through Canvas. And it says notes and practice because I have uploaded some slides from a previous semester where I actually had written notes on it because I don't have any way to write on my screen at home. And I embedded some Khan Academy articles and practice within that. So that's one way to kind of get some additional information from what's just on the slides and that Khan Academy practice. And then for lab next week, we were going to be doing genetics, which didn't have a wet lab to go with it. It was working on genetics problems. And so I have a little tutorial there, both in PowerPoint and PDF format. And that's the old from last semester. If you have that, I really just put that with a little more examples on it. So this is fine. It's the same amount of information, but I've put it into a docx. And then I put the traits into a separate grid, and I will have a little lecture about how we're going to go about doing those problems. And then I have not moved on to the future weeks because I'm doing a similar thing for Bio 1. So hopefully that helps you orient. Tonight I will send out the information for what you need to do with your lab notebook, and we will just keep going with each other. If you would like to meet with me, I've had a couple of meetings already with students through Confer Zoom, so let me know that you want to have a video conference meeting, and I'll be happy to set that up, send you a link, and we'll be able to talk via computer screen.